You guys know what's up. Let's get to it.
I love how we're acting casual, but that could have been so bad.
That's okay. Nothing wrong with that.
Gone down the hill or something.
It's just gonna stick it on here.
We got a real operation going, boys. Look at this. Camera.
Fucking team.
Rain protection. We have the star.
Team Slowpoke.
Oh man, look at him.
I'm going.
Look at this guy's face.
What do you mean?
I didn't notice how much there was.
Camouflage, man.
Oh my god.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, in the pool. Pay attention closely to the technique. He does lessons. That's how you fix a fucking steering.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, smells like a child's pool. Pool here now.
Smells clean.
Yeah, it smells like chlorine that got pissed in.
Yeah.
And then Mitch can go.
If it breaks again, if it breaks again.
Yeah.
You gotta hit the whoops in that.
Oh,
steering column is fixed.
Absolutely Mitch.
Blew up on me a little.
Driving around.
Yo, it literally says.
It says do not mow.
Yo. Do not mow. Do not mow. Mitch, the one thing they don't want you to do. Yo, this man is wild. Yo, who's mad? Oh, he's done. He's done. Oh, okay. Maybe we have an experienced driver. Oh, he's done. He's done. This time he's done. Push him.
Yeah, let's the fucking.
Yeah, right? Oh my god, Mitch.
Yeah, this guy's sketchy as fuck.
Brandon, you look hilarious in the back of a quad. Look at this man. Hey, Jungle Boy. Hey, Mowgli.
You guys leaking?
Oh, hey. Yeah, that's it. He's a. Oh! Oh! Why? One more time. Bro, this is gonna be tight.
I don't know where you guys are.
Hey, how many horses you guys running? Quick pit stop on the hot rods. Fucking sick, man.
Why didn't we do this earlier?
I don't know, man. Whoa, whoa.
Look at this fucking.
Whoa, crew rolling up.
Best idea we've ever had in a while.
No kidding, no kidding. Cheers, fellas. Hey, what the hell is that? Oh, scrape.
I think Ogopogo is native to BC, actually. Actually, seriously. And like, I have longer legs than that, man. I just do it.
There we go. There we go.
What a dude.
And I was super stoked because I parked it on my street. And I was like, yeah, I did that. First try. No big deal. Came over here. Holy. Tires are up on the curb. Oh my god.
Con did. Show me what Con did to the fucking thing. Look at it.
Look at that. Look at what the hell is this?
Con.
Got a bunch of Karens here.
Oh, did you get that?
Yo, that's good.
Good shot. Thank you.
Boom.
Into the other bunker.
Oh no.
Alright.
Got up too quick.
No. Bunker.
This is where my down ball ended up.
I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is sick. There's two separate houses. And then there's this crazy bridge that connects both of them. Best friend goals or what? Beautiful sunny day. Wouldn't expect there to be any water around. And the ball is in a puddle in the sand bunker. Make a big splash like last one. It looks cool. That was so anti, like. That was. I'm gonna just start mine like 3 seconds late so I can video it.
That's the fucking shit in the video. They don't even show drinking, so it's fake, man. Yeah. Because it was.
This man doesn't know how to drive.
It's had 2 pillows.
4 guys, tiny room,
It's so funny.
2 beds.
Tofu is.
God, can you show us?
This is $8. That's just $8. Nope.
Somebody spilled. I hate you guys. Get the camera.
You don't want to tell you got.
Bottle's getting a little empty there, champ.
Wait, you don't even open it? Just get a knife.
So, I'm supposed to share this bed with him. Open the window for a second.
Yo, it's your turn, blame your Vince. Can you send me a crop pic?
Once again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys next Monday.